God, my nose is bleeding. My nose is bleeding and my speaking lips, it's hard. That's why I need to use this to, cover my nose because it's running down and I cannot catch the blood's running down. And then I need to use this like this and then ang galing ko na, grabe Asya. Sa totoo lang guys, nagluloko ko kayo. Kasi mahirap pala mag-English, no? Buti na lang, all my subscribers maybe is Filipino and I know that it's not difficult for me to speak Tagalog because all of that is Filipino. If there's a foreigner person that, disubscribe me, well, sir, thank you so much sa mga foreigner subscribers ko. Thank you so much sa inyo guys. Sa totoo lang, I prepare to make spring roll, okay? Spring roll. And, I make it for fun because I'm hungry and, if I think food, I'm gonna be high blood. If I thinking food now, I'm hungry. What I'm saying? Sorry, excuse me. Sorry, sir. My sentence is wrong, but you can fix it if you want. Bye-bye. Have a nice day sa inyo.